ever done something that you know that you want to make your partner to do to break up with you?
No, I'm too impatient. I'm like, khatam karo. I can't wait for, huh?
You have self-worth. That's the problem. not like me.
Have you ever done anything, Subhuki, where you know that you don't want to break up, but you want to convince this person to break up with you?
The serial cheater, he was fully cheating, and I was like, "Tune cheating?" I was like, "Ha," and then I'm like, "Oh, it's cool. Okay, cool. Love you. Okay." Because as I aforementioned, no self-worth. Okay. So then, when I was closer to breaking up with him, I'm like, I really need to break up with him, and bastard stopped cheating right then, dude. It was 2 years. The fucker's just not cheating only.
But 1 minute, you were in the relationship for 2 years after he stopped cheating.
No.
He cheated for 2 years?
He cheated for 10 years. Vidya, wait, that's not the question.
No, I'm not judging you.
No, you must. Vidya's time.
She lost interest as soon as he stopped cheating on her.
Oh, is
God, was
it?
that the case? No. I lost interest.
That was the case.
No, fuck you, dude. Was that
Because
the case?
this happens, no? When they're cheating, they're trying to overcompensate.
Yeah.
So they're being extra loving. They're
Yeah.
giving you gifts. They're remembering all the dates. They're doing everything in the capacity to hide. And then you're like, damn, this is what I wanted.
He wasn't even doing that, Pavitra.
But Pavi, you have some solid insight, huh?
Third wheel, bro. सब मालूम है अपन को.